What's up, Savannah? Stretch? Savannah. What, you want to stretch? Stretch. Come on, stretch. Oh, yeah, big old stretch. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Damn it, the dirt. What's up, y'all? What's up, Jax? What's up, dude? You want to stretch too, buddy? Stretch. Stretch. Need a little help? Oh, yeah, buddy. All right, where's your ball? Go get your ball. What is that? What was that? What was that? Go get him. Crazy ass dogs. All right, we got the frame here, got the wheels and tires all done. This video is not going to be as streamlined as I was hoping it would be, just because of issues. I redid the hubs and the frame twice. Stripping the hubs took a lot longer than I had hoped, just because that powder coat did not want to come off just with the paint stripper and aircraft paint remover that I had, along with using the torch. That stuff was on there. Got the frame done. I ended up burning that off. I'll throw some clips in there. That was a lot easier than stripping it. It only took about 15-20 minutes to burn all of the old powder coat off. But it's not perfect. There's some orange peel, but it's a dirt bike. It's a lot better than it was the first time. I'll throw some clips up also of what it looked like the first time. But prep wise, I'll post the videos of prep wise. Took the wheels all apart. Still have the stock ones over there, and I believe I had mentioned in one of those clips that the little rubber plug in the back rim, you can buy those online. I didn't know that was a thing, so I just took the old one, cleaned it up some, and put it in the back rim. But man, they look pretty good. So happy with how these turned out. Ready to get the bike all done, but I wanted to go ahead and do this, get this out of the way, edit, post this, and then I'll start working on other pumps. I actually have a water pump coming in to make a vapor blaster. So in combination with that and the Prime MX pads, we should get some really clean parts out of this this build. I'm ready to see how this is going to finish, but we'll get some close-up shots here. It's been some work, trial and error, and just with that powder coat gun, I didn't know at the time. I mean, I knew it was a gravity feed gun, but I didn't know that's why it was just dumping powder out when you tilted it down. So, well, I missed a little spot right there, but second time powder coating a frame when I had to keep tossing it in the oven every couple 15-20 minutes to get it warm again. I'm sorry. It was a pain, tedious, lengthy process, but we got it. Also, use a flashlight, because that's where I messed up the first time. I thought I had even coverage, but I did not. So that's why it looked like the dry spray all on one side and about half of it, because I didn't have it fully coated for the next coat. Trial and error. But I know now. There should be a clip in here. I may throw it up now, or maybe you already saw it. I don't know how I'm going to edit this yet. But putting bolts in the thread holes, plugging some of the holes. Some of these I didn't do, so I may have to drill these out, which that's fine. I kind of figured that. This dog's going crazy. Look at all the dust kicking up out there. I gotta get the ladder, and I threw all Savannah's frisbees on the roof. I messed up. She's resorting to balls now. Come on, go, go, go. Jeez, Jax. You good, dude? Jax. Stop that shit. Good girl, Savannah. Yeah. Anyways, back to this. Super happy with how this turned out. Again, like I said, not real too happy with the orange peel, but I mean, it's gonna happen. I don't have a good setup. I haven't done this enough. Regardless, it's way better than it was before I took the bike apart. Way better than it was on the first powder coat attempt. So, I mean, it's gonna get scratched up and worn anyways. So, I mean, oh well. That's just from the frame rusting, pitting. thought about sanding that out. I actually forgot because I just wanted to get it done. This has been way too long just on these two pieces. But out of everything else, they were the most difficult and time consuming to do. So I'm glad I got these out of the way first. Man, I'm super happy with how these wheels turned out. I should have peeled, oh shit. I should have peeled the tape off before these cured and cooled off. So that is my fault. No for next time. This one's not too bad, but this wheel, frame's resting on that. Let me not do that. But yeah, it peeled some of the red coating off, which again, that's on me. Trial and error. What is that? Oh, it's anti-seize. Oh, great. Oh no, that's baby powder. Okay, from putting the tires on. So yeah, these I'm really happy with how these turned out. I'm really happy I didn't scratch up and gouge the metal. Super nice. Honestly, I hope this back tire fits. I went with a bigger size, 120 90 19. I think a 110 90 19, 110 80. How many tires are here? They are. Another project. I'm gonna clean this JR50 up. 110 90 19. So yeah, I hope this back tire fits, man. Now the back tire is bigger than the front tire, so yeah, I hope that fits. I'm gonna have to adjust the rim offset. I didn't do that. I kind of wanted to do it on the bike, just because of the fatter back tire. I know that the sprocket side's good, but I don't really think this brake rotor side's gonna be good. I don't know if I can get that on video, but that's recessed in pretty bad, which the brake rotor and the caliper are not gonna come in contact with the side of the wall, but swing arm wise, this side may rub on the inside of the swing arm pretty bad on that one side. Just looking at the 125s with the 110, I mean, that's basically the same swing arm design, how the weld comes out like that, which all of them kind of have it. It seems like there's more room on the YZ, but on this one, if they're the same swing arm from the 125 to the 250, I don't know. That's not a lot of room. So we may have some issues there with that. I don't know, we'll see. It's a mess in here, so many projects going on. I lined the tank last night for the Honda Shadow. I need to go out there and put another coat on, but I wanted to get this out of the way because I'm actually gonna go inside and edit this now and get this posted, just put some clips up together. Like I said, I don't really know how I'm gonna put all this together. I may do this and this one, the frame process and the rim process in two separate videos. I may not, since they're kind of in the background of each other at certain times. I'm not really sure how I'm going to lay that out and edit this, but I'll figure something out. It's not going to be, like I said, it's not going to be a streamlined and straightforward in timeline version as I really wanted to, but you know, stuff happens, trial and error, so we'll see. But so happy with how these turned out. These rims, these wheels, hubs, gosh, man, it's crazy. Man, I'm ready to get this all together. I'm getting ideas for color. Yeah, just picturing all the different colors I'm gonna throw at this thing. Not all the different colors, it's all gonna flow well. I'm not doing crazy colors, you know, way off the end of the spectrum. It's all gonna flow nice. Just trying to imagine what color, like triple clamps, what that's gonna be. On a side note, eventually I will be getting a better powder coat gun set up, because that Harbor Freight powder coat gun, I don't know if it's defective or if that's how all gravity feed powder coat guns are. Gosh, it's such a nightmare, such a headache. I got it done, but it wasted way too much powder. Just not even having to redo it, just in the process of you like, okay, well I need to get down in here, so I need to aim the powder coat gun down a little bit. Oh shit, I just dumped powder everywhere. So, anyways, it's done, it's over with. I only have to, I think I'm gonna powder coat the triple clamps, and I think that may be it. Maybe the foot pegs, clear coat. Just being, I don't know if I want to Cerakote the foot pegs or shine them up and torch them, have a bluing look on them in certain areas. I don't really know yet. And toss clear coat on it after that. I don't know. Shine them up and then clear coat it without the torch method, heating them up, or Cerakote. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do on that yet. But I think that's all I'm gonna powder coat, and the rest is Cerakote, and I can knock that out pretty quick. Granted, 2-hour oven time, so I can't get around that, but it won't be like this. And if I do have to redo something, which I probably won't, because I'm pretty familiar with Cerakote, it's easier to come off. Man, dude, I'm so happy with how these wheels turned out. Gosh, dude, this collar combo, the red lettering, the red hubs, the black spokes, just as a, like, tone it, to tone everything out. I don't know what color, like, what do you call that? Neutral color, I guess, maybe. I don't know. Where's your ball? Did Jax take it? Where's your ball? Go get your ball, Savannah. Oh, it's in the garage. All right, bring it here. Come here. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see it. Come here. Good girl. This dog, man, non-stop playing golden retriever. I wish I had that type of energy. I really wish I had a pool back here. The yard's still a mess. Got so much stuff to clean up, too many projects going on. Get it, Savannah. Good girl. This GoPro's getting hot. It's burning my damn finger. Shit. Good girl. All right. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, shit. I'll get that. Ah, sit, sit, sit. Stay. Stay. Sit your ass down. Stay. This may be too easy of a spot, but man, this grass isn't tall anymore. I can't hide it in the grass like I used to. I don't want her to see me through that window. I don't know where I'm going to put this. I'm going to put it over here. There we go. Seems like a good spot. Let's tear this up though so she don't take that. Oh shit, somebody else. Jack's a little peeping ass dog. Cheater. You ready? Alright, Jax, Savannah. Savannah, Jax. Jax. I didn't tell you to go, dude. Jax, get over here now. What are you doing, dude? Sit down. Sit. He's so pretty, Savannah. I love you, bubble girl. Goofy ass motherfucker. Jax, no. Sit down. Stay. Go get it. Go get it. Go. Go, Jax. Go. He probably already forgot where it was, even though he saw right where I put it. Yep. He already forgot. Oh, nope. Is he remembering? Nope, he forgot. Yep, that's Jax for you. Too many different breeds telling him to do different shit. Alright, we gotta play hot and cold with Savannah now. No. No, over there. Good girl. Go get it. No. 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 Good girl. Go get it. Go get it, Savannah. Good girl. Get it. Oh, Jack's got it. Jack's got it. Savannah, Jax has it. Savannah. Savannah. Jax has it. Savannah, right here. Jax has it. Or he dropped it. Come here. Good girl. Get it. It's right there, Savannah. Good girl. Jax wouldn't have picked it up. She would have got it. She was right there on it. Alright. Let's cut this. I need to go line that tank with the second coat of tank liner. And edit this. Peace out.